So here we need to simplify the given logarithmic expression. So let us begin. So here we will use a property that a times log of b, that will be the same as log of b raised to the power of a. So what we'll do, we'll take this 3 and raise it as the exponent of 4. So that will give us log of 4 cubed. Similarly, for the second term, we have log of 5 squared minus, for the third term, we have log of 64 raised to the power of 1/3 minus log of 16 raised to the power of 1/2. Right. Now that means we have log of, so what is 4? 4 is also 2 squared, so we have 2 squared whole raised to the power of 3 plus log of 5 squared, so 5 squared will be 25 minus log of, now we need to factor 64. So 64 is equals to 4 cubed, which is also 2 squared raised to the power of 3. So that means 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3, or 2 raised to the power of 6. That means in place of 64, we have 2 raised to the power of 6, whole raised to the power of 1/3. Minus log of 16, so we know that 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16, so that will be whole raised to the power of 1/2. So now we can take log of 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3. So that means the exponents will get multiplied to give us 2 raised to the power of 6. We have plus log of 25 minus log of 2. So here the exponents will get multiplied. So we have 6 multiplied to 1/3 minus log of 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied to 1/2, which will be log of 2 raised to the power of 6 plus log of 25. We'll take negative common. So we have log of 2 raised to the power of, so 6 divided by 3, so that's 2 plus log of 2 squared. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll apply a property here, the property being log of a plus log of b, that's equals to log of a b. So using this property, we can combine the two logarithm within each of the two parentheses. So that means we will be getting log of 2 raised to the power of 6 times 25 minus log of 2 squared times 2 squared, or 2 squared times 2 squared, so that's 2 raised to the power of 4. That means we have 2 raised to the power of 4. It will mean exactly the same thing. Now we will use the property. So what we have here, log a minus log b. So log of a minus log of b, so that's the same as log of a over b. So that means our logarithm now transforms to log of 2 raised to the power of 6 times 25 divided by 2 raised to the power of 4. So we can cancel out 2 raised to the power of 4 from the numerator and the denominator. So this will be 2 squared. And 2 squared is 4. So we have 4 times 25. So that's 100. So we have log of 100. Now log of 100 means log of 10 squared. We can use the property to bring the 2 in front of the logarithm to get 2 times log of 10. Now, whenever the base is not mentioned for the logarithm, that's usually 10. And that's the reason why log of 10 is always equals to 1. So that means we have 2 times 1. And our final value is going to be equals to 2. So that means the simplified value of this particular logarithmic expression is equals to 2.